Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are absolutely well. So today in this video we are going to talk about affiliate link sharing in social media sites. Most of the time whenever we try to share our affiliate offer link in Facebook or other social media platforms, it shows us error blocking the link, etc. That's why we are unable to share our affiliate link on it. Although sharing a direct affiliate link can bring a lot more engagement than sharing a custom landing page. So let's see how we can do this. Share direct CPA or affiliate offer link in our social platform. Watch the video till the end, don't skip any part, and if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, subscribe it now and join our Facebook group and share. And Okay, please remember, a lot of people trying this same method. They post the same subdomain. That's why sometimes Facebook, yes, only Facebook will remove your any image link, so you can get a paid subscription of any image to get a custom link. Or you can share your LinkedIn or Tumblr post link in Facebook. What Facebook will never going to detect as a spam link. Anyway, if your Facebook traffic click on your LinkedIn or Tumblr post that you share in your Facebook, they will visit your original Tumblr post, and then they will able to see the full post with the any image link. Okay, and if they click on that link, they will redirect to your offer link. It's more like a social bridge page. I hope this video is useful for you, and hit the like button and subscribe to see new videos every week. Thanks.